Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day here for the SPY. It actually, a little bit of a gap down, nothing major, but then things just kind of went pretty much downhill the entire day. So some updates here need to be done. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that's where the green lines are coming from. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that line. It served its purpose for now. But the one level that definitely is going to, be a key level to watch going into next week is that 303 mark. Now, I marked it out here as a level of support, and the dynamic here and update that needs to be made is just based on a very basic principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that's exactly what happened here. So, the price came down here to 303, broke below it, and then you can see spent basically the next hour and a half trying to get back above it right there. Could never quite do it, and then eventually, the price rolled back over. But 303 is going to be that first key level of resistance to monitor if the price does try to put together any sort of bounce. So, if the price next week at least starts to go sideways and start to work its way back upwards, that in and of itself is a little bit of bullishness. But, is there actually any true signs of bullishness? A great way to answer that question will be, well, let's see if the price can first off even get up to 303. But if it can the price actually break up above it? So 303 going to be, like I said, that main level, and a very helpful level, because like I said, just because something bounces doesn't mean it's actually a truly strong move. Case in point right there. That was a nice bounce, got destroyed. But like I said, 303 will be a good measuring part in terms of, gauging any sort of strength of bounces. As far as levels of support, first level, nothing fancy or complicated other than where the price finally stopped bleeding today. And that was right down there. We'll call it 299.50. So 299.50 key level for that reason. Like I said, nothing fancy behind it other than that's just where the price finally stopped going down. And then next level next week, going to be down there around the 296.75 mark. So those would be the two main levels to watch. But yeah, the level I'm most curious about is that 303 mark to see if the price can try to get up above there. If it does, still got a lot more work to do, but that would definitely be a step in the right direction. But yeah, very, very rough way to end the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.